Design your dream home in your pajamas. The rise of virtual interior design. Hey everyone, and welcome back to Viana Home. We've all been there. You're trying to decorate, but you're juggling a busy schedule, you don't have time for in-person consultations, and maybe you live nowhere near a big city design firm. But technology is changing the game. Is it truly possible to get a fully custom, beautifully designed room from a professional interior designer without ever meeting them face to face? Let's explore the world of design your dream home in your pajamas, the rise of virtual interior design. Virtual interior design, often called e-design, is becoming one of the most popular ways to transform your home. It totally flips the traditional model on its head. Instead of an hourly rate and multiple on-site meetings, you typically pay a flat fee per room, and the entire process is managed online. This makes professional design accessible to literally anyone, anywhere, often at a much lower cost. So, how does it work? It's surprisingly simple and interactive. You start by filling out a detailed questionnaire about your style, your budget, and how you use the space. Then, you send in photos and measurements of your room. The designer needs to know what they're working with. The magic happens when the designer uses this information to create a complete design package for you. This package usually includes a mood board that defines the overall look, a 3D rendering or floor plan that shows you exactly where everything should go, and most importantly, a source list with direct links to purchase every single item. The sofa, the rug, the lamps, the paint color from online retailers. The biggest pro of virtual design is flexibility and control. You get the professional vision, but you execute the plan on your own timeline and budget. You can decide to buy everything at once, or you can chip away at the list over a few months. It's the perfect solution for anyone who loves the idea of a professionally designed home, but also loves a good DIY project. Virtual design is great for a wide range of people, whether you're a young professional furnishing your first apartment, a couple downsizing into a smaller home, or a busy parent who needs a functional, stylish new playroom. It focuses on the decor and styling of a room, working with your existing layout and offering a clear, actionable plan for furnishing and decorating. But a word of advice, make sure you're clear on your budget upfront. A good e-designer will stick to it and suggest items that are truly attainable. And be thorough with your measurements. The designer is relying on the information you provide, so measure twice, order once is the ultimate e-design mantra. In the end, virtual interior design takes away the stress of decorating and replaces it with a simple, guided shopping list. It puts the power of professional design right in your pocket. Ready to start designing your dream space from the comfort of your couch? Get all the best e-design tips and inspiration by making sure you subscribe to Viana Home. We're here to help you love your home.